Are you tired of the white screen that's straining your eyes while you watch YouTube videos? I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the dark mode on YouTube. This process works on your PC, your laptop, or your Mac device, and it doesn't matter which web browser you use. So let's open the YouTube website in our web browser and make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account, because you won't get the feature if you're logged out. So I'm already signed into my account, and all I have to do is to tap on my profile picture at the top right corner of the screen until this falling menu appears. Find this little appearance option, which has a little moon icon, and then you'll be presented with 3 different options. Yours is probably set to light, but you can choose between the Use Device theme, which will enable dark mode automatically on the YouTube website as soon as the whole device theme is changed to a dark mode. But if you want dark mode enabled all the time or permanently, then simply select dark theme and then refresh your page. You can then enjoy YouTube in this beautiful dark theme, and this will especially be useful when you're watching videos at night. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I'll see you soon.